Well, hello there, everybody in YouTube land, world, planet. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. One more day left until October, and it's time to update you. I think we only got what? We got 3 weeks left. Two Tuesdays. 2 Tuesdays left-ish of updates in the greenhouse, so let's get this one taken care of. And here we go. So there once lied tractor. I may overlap that video here where I'm washing the pumpkin and all that stuff. So we have tractor all loaded up, obviously, and one of the rules when you take your pumpkin to a weigh off is that it has to be cleaned of any pesticides or sprays or anything like that. So I usually take mine to the spray wash and just give it a gentle scrub before we go to get off any funkiness. Plus, with this one being a pretty nice orange pumpkin, I just want to get all the dust off because maybe that could help it win the prettiest pumpkin prize. So here it is, all loaded up, and gonna just clean off the pumpkin and take it to the weigh off, and I'll let you know how it goes. And we're back from that. So now that you've seen how to wash a pumpkin, tractor did end up weighing 951 pounds. At the weigh off, they measured it, they taped it at 1050, which is really interesting. I mean, I measured it. When I measured it, it was 958. That was the last time I measured it. But with that being said, I wasn't paying attention to them measuring it, which maybe I should have, because it made it go a little light. But, whatever. It's not a big deal. It is what it is. So the system that we, put together to get it out worked pretty good. The only issue we had was height. So not a lot of vertical height to lift it up to get it onto the trailer. You can see we had to dig out a few little troughs there to get the trailer underneath it. We'll fix that this go around, but that's definitely concerning when we do Ted there in the back, who's a very tall pumpkin. So we might have to, I don't know, we might have to figure something out. What that is right now, well, I don't quite know, but we'll figure it out. I was cleaning up the backyard a little bit, getting some perlite laid down for just amending the patch this year. Bushel gourd is doing great. Definitely, unless we have some big problems. That should be, knock on wood, a new state record. I'm not sure who else has big bushel gourds growing, but maybe somebody might beat that one. If you didn't know already, if you're not on my Facebook page, tractor did end up getting 3rd place, which I was pretty excited about. I thought I was going to get 4th place. There was a pumpkin that was measuring, 50, no, I think it was like 80 more pounds than a tractor. And then when tractor went light, I thought that I was done for, because I went 10% light. But then unfortunately, Will from Canyon City, his pumpkin, it thumped solid. I thought I was done for. And then his went like almost 20% light. I think it was 17% light. Don't want to cut his knees out from under him. But I thought I was done for. But ultimately, who knows? Just goes to show you, slapping don't mean nothing. The only thing that matters is what it weighs when you get it to the scale. So this Saturday at Nick's, I'm going to be taking one of these 3 pumpkins. The good news is that all of them are still growing. We just measured them, and these pumpkins right here, they are all doing roughly 10 pounds a day. So that's pretty fantastic to still be getting that much growth. And if I can continue to get that growth, especially on those big ones there, or whichever one has 2 more weeks left or 3 more weeks left, then that could be pretty cool. It could be putting me in a pretty good position to have a big pumpkin this year. But yeah, so that was it. Jared's was a great way off. They always do a good job, and they've been getting better the last few years. I have been a little critical of Jared's, and And to their credit, they have been getting better. There were some awesome pumpkins there. It was a really good time to hang out and see everybody, and I'm looking even more forward to going to Nick's this coming weekend, because there should be some real big pumpkins. Like, I was thinking I'd be like 3rd, 4th, 5th range with tractor, and depending upon the pumpkin I take to Nick's, I might be, 4th, 5th, 6th with a bigger pumpkin. So I don't know. We'll see how it all shakes out. But come probably Friday, I'll have to take up these walking boards. I'll cut the rest of the plant back. You can see the powdery mildew has really set in at these plants right here. They're just covered with it. So it's I'll be happy to get them out, take these walking boards up, fold the soaker line back, and then we'll deconstruct my gantry here and reconstruct it over the next pumpkin, and then lift her up and away they go. And then we'll have to figure out a way to move this here giant bushel gourd. I'm not sure if this one we can roll, and I don't know. It's big. So, good problems to have, I suppose. Definitely looking forward to getting to the end of this year. It's been a long year, and I'm looking forward to getting to the end of this one, being done with this set of pumpkins, and start working towards even bigger pumpkins in 2021. So, yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any questions. Post below. I'd love to know how your weigh-offs are going. So if you are watching this video and you have gone to a weigh-off and you've taken a pumpkin, comment below. Let me know how big the pumpkins you have taken to the scale are. Have you weighed one that's over 1,000? You got any new personal bests out there? Let me know. I'd like to hear from you. Dying coronavirus. Just kidding, not really. So that's it. We'll talk to you next week. Have a good one.